All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm here to go over my trades for the day. Before I get into that, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description, and let's get to it, man. So I really was happy at the end of the stream because of this CYN trade. This is awesome trade that I had on the stream, and it was pretty clean, man. Opened up strong, really strong pre-market, crazy strong pre-market. Pulled back to the EMA, and then we got a little lower high over the pre-market high and a higher low that held. So I went ahead and took the break back up, stop under the low, took profit as we moved through high of day, and was able to hold on for the pullback. And then we really got to running on this thing. Average entry was 1880. And my highest sell was 36. Wow. Like, this kind of trade with a whole lot of shares. Oh my God. Like, this is a dream trade right here. I sold half pretty quickly, I think. But you know, you got to sell through the highs. So I'm not mad at that. Maybe I could have taken a quarter out instead of a half, but it's all good, man. It worked out really well. Yeah, maybe I can do quarters. I don't know. I'm still kind of figuring out my take profit strategy. But as long as I'm selling something, then that's cool. You know, I just needed to get these executions off. I didn't really have that many shares at all. I think I started the position with maybe 200 shares, if that. Yeah, it might not even been that. It might have been like 100 something. But hey, man, the process for as far as process on this trade, excellent process. Then I just got, you know, it's just hard to stop trading when you're a trader. When you see opportunities that you feel like, you know, you are the opportunities that you normally take advantage of. And that's what I saw on ASTI here. Just watching it, I saw it curl down here and tried to break the EMA, but fell back down. Another EMA reset right here, and then we make a higher high, higher low down to the EMA again, and then I take the break over that candle, stop under the low of this candle, I believe. And what a nice pop, man. What a nice pop. I was trying to hold for high day, but I mean, I was looking at the price action. It was time to sell. Top tick that candle, and it kept rolling, man. Kept rolling. I got this one off around 350s. Entry was 270s. So that was cool. My mistake, adding. My mistake was adding. I just got a little too cocky here. I've been seeing good places to add, but this was not it. This was not. It was a good place to add up here. But once it broke down below, I just should have taken it off the table. But came down, tested the EMA, and then bounced, made a higher low. But I'm there. I kind of hypothesizing that the retest, not the reset, needs the higher high, higher low, but the retest is more of a continuation, doesn't necessarily need the higher high, but the higher low for sure. But nah, this should have held up. Like if it bounced up and held up here, you know, then that would have been a lot better. But I added, raised my stop, and then got stopped out and lost like 0.8 R on that trade. So that was not cool. But what happened? She did another EMA reset down here. You got the high. This was my line in the sand back here on this high. So we got the high, then we got the slam right back into that level, but it held. And so I took it as it moved back above this high, which was like a 1 minute entry basically, but it was hot fire. It was a hot fire. Where did this entry come? Yeah, right here, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. So the top of that puppy, and then stopped out break even, and then just like jumped right back in, man. This was another reckless trade. Just jumped right back in without the higher, I guess it was the higher low. Yeah, see, this retest, I gotta validate it at least via a higher low. And this didn't even do that. I just jumped right in off of that candle and paid for it. I was really sad about that, but I gave it one more shot, man, and got in that bad boy. I'm pretty sure I took this one on the one as well. Yeah. Yeah, stop under there, break of the high. What a nice pop, man. Got a couple sales off. I really wish I didn't let it come all the way back down here though. Like, you know, pick somewhere up here to the price got to hold up some kind of way. Like, it's just too big of a pullback. You don't have to sit through that much. But all in all, what I got from this experience was that the pre-market DD is so important. It's so important to stand on the business that I conduct in pre-market as far as research and vetting the thing that I want to trade. That's like the whole thing, man. It's the whole thing. And at the end of the day, seeing how well I did just trading the two things on my watch list. And here's the reveal of my crash out. I just really didn't want to post this. Real DJ came and kind of hurt my feelings yesterday. Like, same old, same old. And it's like, yep, same old, same old. Wow. So Wolf was miserable. It was so miserable trading this stock because the float is so high. And just to get like a penny move was miserable. And then I get in there and I get all scary and raise my stop. Man, this thing, I could have rolled that thing the whole rest of the day off of this entry. But I stopped myself out for 1 hour. Breaking my rules after breaking my rules. Broke my rules to get in the trade. And then didn't even manage it out properly. The 15 entry was super saucy though. But yeah, the daily was cool for the type of stock this was. On a small cap, this would have been unacceptable, I guess. But the float was like, I don't know, in the hundreds millions was the float for this. And it's just like, why, bro? I just heard it on the scanner, looked at it, saw the price action. QS. Just random, bro. Second day. NKTR. This actually happened on the stream. Just a random third day play. My boy Leon was looking at it, but that is, you know, his plays ain't my plays, you know, so that doesn't mean anything. Shout out my boy Leon. WAI. Just like, what are you doing up here, bro? So far from the EMA. Just at this point, I was just desperate because I think I had lost on BBAI. Another super high float stock that was just like moving pennies at a time. It was so frustrating. I just couldn't believe. And then to see the walls on the prices, like 10, you know, just huge amounts of shares on each price level. I'm like, bro, what is this? I'm just so frustrated with myself. And then looking at it and seeing at the end of the day, my two watch list stocks being up, bruh, almost 7R on those two. And then losing, bruh, over 5R on all these, just sitting here working on this scanner. I got to do something different about the scanner. I'm almost thinking I need to pay for the scanner that I was using. It was so helpful. I'm going to try the Zenbot scanner a little more to see if I can get it to kind of show me the results I've been trying to get it to show me. But yeah, I had too much getting thrown out at me. It was like the chat times 10 with tickers just getting thrown at me. And I just lost it, man. It's like I found myself in a zone that I don't normally trade in, you know, after the stream, you know, after lunch. And it was like a place that I didn't really have rules pre-built. I was just in this area that I'm just kind of doing what I wanted to do. And that's bad. That's bad. I just luckily made it out green. This is probably gonna be ate up by commissions. Um, so another day just proving to myself that this will never work unless I follow the rules, and also how good it can work if I follow the rules. Right? Like these are amazing. This is amazing. Amazing price reads. This one mostly. The rest of these probably won't happen again. But I think 12's got to be my official stop. Um, uh, yeah. But the strat is awesome. The strat is awesome. I believe in it so much. You just got to stay focused and patient for that. That's the task right now. It's just staying focused and patient and believing in my strategy and trading nothing else. Um, Golly, bro. I could just stayed away from the super high floats, man. Like ridiculous. Uh, but another day, another batch of lessons to tuck away. But today was really good, man. I got to the office super early, got to do a replay trade, and just had my mind right at the open, and then just kind of lost it. But yeah, tomorrow's gonna be good. I'm excited. Anyway, don't be too hard on me in the comments. Actually, go for it. Um, but yeah, man, I'll be back tomorrow, ready to close out the week like a professional, hopefully. And see y'all at the open, man. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.